Good day, children. Sai Ram. I welcome you all to the grammar class. In the last class, we had studied about verbs that are doing words. We call it as doing words. It means action. We had also learned where we are supposed to use is, am, are. Do you all remember, children? Very good. So let's take a quick recap about it. Can you see the two columns? The first column is and the next column is are. So where are we supposed to use the word is? When we are talking about one person or a thing. So I'll quickly read out the sentences for you. She is a girl. He is a good boy. It is a sunny day. This is my brother. That is your box. So here, children, we are using the word is as we are talking about one person or a thing. Now in the next column, we will see about are. When we talk about more than one, we use the word are. You are a girl. We are students. They are teachers. These are my books. Those are her shoes. I hope, children, you remember that we had studied this in the last class. Very good. Let us learn more about it today in chapter 6. What is the name of the chapter, children? Where to use is, are, was, were, has, have. This is the name of the chapter. Chapter number 6 in grammar. Where to use is, are, was, were, has, have. In today's class, we are going to learn where we are going to use is, are. Are you all ready, children? We use is with naming word which has name one. It means when we talk about one person, one thing, we use is. Example, the pen is on the table. I'm talking about one pen here. So here I'm using the word is. The pen is on the table. I'll repeat it one more time, children. We use is with the naming word which has name one. Okay, children? The example is the pen is on the table. Now, where do we use are? We use are with naming words which name many. It means when we talk about more than one, we use are. Let us see the example, children. The books are on the table. Here I am talking about more than one book. I am not saying the book. I am saying the books. I have used the word S behind. So here I am talking about many books. So here I have used the word are. We use are with naming words which name many. So the example is the books are on the table. I hope, children, you're clear where are you supposed to use is and where are you supposed to use are. Let us solve exercise related to this. Use is or are in the following sentences. Use is or are in the following sentences. The first sentence, there dash a garden in front of my house. Now can you see the picture of a garden, children? Yes. So here I am talking about only one garden. So here I am going to use the word is. There is a garden in front of my house. There is a garden in front of my house. Understood, children? Very good. The next sentence, there dash flies on the foot. Now, see, are there many flies or only one fly? There are many flies. So here we are talking about many. So which word are we going to use? Are. There are flies on the foot. There are flies on the foot. Understood, children? Very good. A cat dash under the table. See the picture? How many cats can you see, children? One cat. So what are we going to use here? Very good. Is. A cat is under the table. A cat is under the table. The boy dash very clever. How many boys? One boy. I'm talking about one boy. So I'll use is here. The boy is very clever. The boy is very clever. Her dresses dash very pretty. Yes, here I can see many dresses. So, what am I going to use here in the blank? Are. Very good. Her dresses are very pretty. Her dresses are very pretty. Next sentence. There dash tomatoes in the basket. So how many tomatoes can you see in the basket, children? One or many? I can see many tomatoes. So here I am going to use are. There are tomatoes in the basket. There are tomatoes in the basket. Good. This rose dash very pretty. Here we are talking about only one rose. This rose is very pretty. This rose is very pretty. I hope you are finding it easy, children. The grapes dash sour. So here there are many grapes. So the grapes are sour. The grapes are sour. Mina's pet bird dash a parrot. Mina's pet bird dash a parrot. How many parrot can you see, children? One or many? I can see only one parrot. So here I am going to write is. Mina's pet bird is a parrot. Mina's pet bird is a parrot. Next, Tom's friends dash very helpful. Oh, here there are many friends of Tom. So here we are going to use the word are. Tom's friends are very helpful. Tom's friends are very helpful. Have you all understood, children, where you have to use is or are? Now we'll solve some more sentences but without the pictures now. Okay, let me see. You can solve or not. There dash lots of flowers in the garden. So here we are talking about lots of flowers. We are not talking about only one flower. So whenever we talk about many, we use the word are. Understood, children? Yes, I know my children are very smart. There are lots of flowers in the garden. There are lots of flowers in the garden. There dash a big dog in my yard. So here I am talking about one dog. So when we talk about one, we use the word is. There is a big dog in my yard. There is a big dog in my yard. Dash Tom going out today? Here I am talking about only Tom. So I'll use is. Is Tom going out today? Is Tom going out today? Dash they going to the zoo? Now they means, I'm not talking about only one person here. They means it can be many. So here we will use the word are. Are they going to the zoo? Are they going to the zoo? Are you all understanding, children? Isn't it easy? Very good. It dash sunny today. So I'm talking about the weather. It is sunny today. It is sunny today. Who dash you playing with today? Who dash you playing with today? So here you refers to many. So who are you playing with today? Who are you playing with today? They dash having fun at the park. So here they are having fun at the park. They are having fun at the park. What dash he doing? I'm talking about only one person. So what is he doing? What is he doing? Who dash going with you? Who is going with you? Who is going with you? This is the last sentence for the day, children. There dash lots of cookies left. So cookies here are many. So there are lots of cookies left. There are lots of cookies left. I hope, children, you all must have understood where you have to use is or are. Very good. In the next class, children, we will study where we are going to use was, were. Till then, children, you take care of yourself. Thank you, children. Sai Ram. See you in the next class.